Felina me ke aloha, it's Kumamaile na ehu coming to you from Kahalehuaka na Elena Molokaʻi. Our MANAʻo Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is e hoʻohuli ka lima I lalo. And that means turn the hands down. I want you to say it with me. A'oi. E hoʻohuli ka lima I lalo. And as you can see in this picture here, it's a hand that's planting, turning its hands downward to the ʻāina, to the earth. And this is a saying that is figurative to mean, don't be lazy. We have to turn our hands and get them dirty in the lepo, in the soil, so that our ʻāina can thrive. And if our ʻāina thrives, our people will thrive. So let's do it together one more time from the top. E hoʻohuli ka lima I lalo. Maikaʻi loa. Our haʻawina ʻōlelo Hawaii is how to say, oh, that's so delicious. So we all know the word for delicious, or if you live in Hawaii, you probably hear it all the time, and we say it all the time. It's ʻono. Maikaʻi. But the whole sentence that I'm going to teach you is the whole phrase on how to say, oh, that's so ʻono. So we're going to say, hu ka ʻono. Try that one more time with me. A'oia. Hu ka ʻono. Maikaʻi loa.